Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to set up passkey on CoinEx. To set up a passkey referred to as two-factor authentication on your CoinEx account is super easy. Launch open the CoinEx app on your mobile device, or you can also visit coinex.com and log in. After you're inside the homepage, look for your profile avatar and click on it, which should be available at the top left corner. Now, click on the security button from the menu and then go to passkey option under two-factor authentication at the top of the security tab. This will then bring up this interface. Here you will need to tap on add passkey at the bottom. In order to enable passkey, you'll need to verify your email address first. Go ahead and enter the verification code that will be sent to you via your email. After clicking open the email verification code, simply copy the code and then get back to your CoinEx app and paste it down in the text box. Click on the Start Creating button once you see this interface, and then click on the Continue button to use Face ID or Touch ID for your device. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a passkey. Now your CoinEx account is protected with passkey, also known as two-factor authentication. You will need to enter a code from your authenticator app or via SMS. That is how you can easily enable passkey for your CoinEx account. After the passkey is enabled, you will be able to keep your account more secure, convenient, and user-friendly. It will reduce the risk of account takeovers and improve the overall login experience. That is how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.